It's walk day, but we got a problem. Unfortunately, this fan's got to go. Where's that remote? Ah, yes. All right, the good news is we got a replacement. Let's move you out of the way. There it is. Okay, this one's definitely a heavy-duty fan. Let's plug it in. It's like all metal. 3 shiny blades there. Simple Deluxe. It's got like 3 speeds here, off, low, medium, high. Let's fire it up. Wait, hold on. I got one of these things. This will measure the wind velocity. I'm gonna set it to miles per hour. Okay, at the lowest, it's going about 15 miles an hour. That's pretty good. Oh, let's turn it up to the highest. All right, this is blasting out at about, I don't know, 18 miles per hour or so. Wow. I don't think I'll ever use the highest speed for walking, but if I do, I mean, yeah. Truly my biggest fan.